Today I will introduce you to the Python. Our first step is to set up the environment, and then assign the variables. Choose the operator. Use of loops, numbers, string, and casting. After that, we will learn about command data structures, like list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, function, lambda function, array. Oops concept. In ops concept, we will learn all the things I mentioned here, like class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, encapsulation. We provide live training, internship, and emplacement in various known companies. Thank you for watching our video. If this is beneficial for you and want latest updates, please follow, like, and subscribe our channel TFKnowledge.